on a beautiful Lake Havasu City morning. Looking at an extremely nice, super sweet 1929 Ford Model A pickup. Walk around and tell you about it like we usually do. May have a few cars drive by as I'm doing this video, but we'll work around that. Sitting on a TCI Stage 3 chassis. 4-bar suspension in the rear, polished components. Drum brakes in the rear here. Has wheel Vintiques chrome spoke wheels with deluxe wheel trim. It is all steel, finished in PPG Viper-Red, painted by Charlie Hutton, fit and finish. Nice subtle pinstripes on the bed here, along the belt lines of the bed and the cab. Up top, it has a Hartz soft cloth. Very nice touch on the roof here. Visor. Also has a windshield wiper on it. They've left the factory fuel tank fill here for looks. It has dual saddle tanks, 16 gallons total, 8 gallons on each side. It is the original cab and front fenders that have been fully restored. All steel. Up front here is a wonderful Model A grille, decorative Moto-Meter, original type 2-lamp headlamps that have hidden turn signals in them, halogen beams and fluted lenses for a nice vintage look. TCI Stage 3 chassis gives you fully independent front suspension, rack and pinion steering, 4-wheel adjustable coilovers. It has power disc brakes up front, Wilwood calipers. All the bumpers and irons have all been chrome plated. Very high-end restoration on this one. Underneath the hood's a Kodiak OEM 350 V8, nicely dressed. We'll get you underneath the hood. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. It has a Rootlieb 4-piece hood. Give you another look at the roof and sun visor here. Hinge mount peep mirrors. Drives wonderful. Something you definitely want to drive. It's equipped with air conditioning. Has a Glide engineering seat. It's all wrapped in a beautiful two-tone gray and charcoal leather. Little drop-down dash panel there with AC vents, LED lights, gauges, working odometer, speedometer, original style. Overhead audio. Glide engineering seat allows you to adjust the seat back. Door jamb to door jamb. The paint and bodywork by Charlie Hutton is just awesome. Seat has chrome garnish moldings here, chrome latches and hardware. Out back here, it has a OEM spec Brookville steel bed and update and fenders. Factory style, not modified or smoothed or anything like that. You'll see the rear tailgate where the chains would typically hang has been fastened. You could easily put chains back on it if you liked. Finished the same color as the beltline pinstripes as the tailgate here, with a one single pinstripe. Dual exhaust. Has a nice little receiver hitch on it. It has not towed anything, but you could tow a vintage trailer, that type of thing if you like. Chrome early tail lamps with blue dots on them. License plate bracket. Step back and let you get a better look. Like I said in the opening, this thing is just super sweet. Fun to drive. We'll have plenty of video driving down the road for you, showing the everything. VIN tag is located in the door jamb here. Has a beautiful wool carpet. Has a full one-piece floor mat over the beautiful trimmed out carpet. Glide engineering seat with the adjustment we talked about. Has seat belts. Has an I Did It tilt steering column with banjo style steering wheel, stainless and billet. Overhead audio here. Windshield still comes out like it's supposed to, tilts out. For those nice cool mornings, we're gonna fire it up here. Didn't even touch the gas, just starts right up, idles along. About 20 at idle for the oil pressure. Just over 25 with a little RPMs. Fuel gauge works on both tanks. There's a switch underneath the dash on the left-hand side here. 4532 on the odometer reading at the time of inspection. You'll see the pinstripe on the dash here. Very tastefully done. Audio speakers on the kick panel there. Yes, it's real steel. There's the windshield wiper up front here. We'll get out and share some headlights with you. We've got them on high beam right there. Show you turn signals. Passenger side. Doors shut the same way, both sides. Make sure you hang on to the end of the video. Kodiak 350 V8. Full long block on this one. All finished body color PPG Viper-Red. Out back here it has an MSD billet distributor, an MSD ignition coil, that type of thing, controls. Has an Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor on it with a high-rise intake manifold. Down here is the steering shaft that leads to the rack and pinion steering. Up front here has a Walker radiator, electric cooling fan, thermostatically controlled. You'll see it has a billet thermostat housing there. Love the polished billet fin dress that has body color inserts in it. Give you a better look at the front end here. Billet pulleys. Radiator fills right here. Sanderson AC compressor. Another peek at those fluted headlights. Over on this side, the Sanderson headers again. Dual exhaust. Polished AC components, receiver dryer. It also has all low car controls on it. This is a transmission fill. This is a dipstick for the oil. Fired up here for you. Just reach in and turn the key on this one. Taking it back to her garage. Could be going to your garage. Make sure you go to Spud's garage. fills left and right in the forward edge of the bed there. Like we talked about during the walk around, it has a TCI stage 3 chassis, so it has a lot of upgrades on the chassis. Fully engineered chassis. This has tubular control arms, upper and lower, polished stainless. Has a stabilizer bar, Wilwood disc brakes with billet backing plate. You'll see the rack and pinion steering there, rear mounted. Bottom side of the Kodiak 350 long block. Sanderson short tube headers. Has a high torque mini starter on it. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. Chrome plated inspection cover. Fin billet tranny pan. You'll see how the fenders are all rhino coated, a hard surface to protect from the paint from rock stars on the back side. Or the side you look at, it has dual saddle tanks on it. 8 gallons each side, so 16 gallons total. Very nice. Up here you'll see it has power disc brakes. Dual reservoir master cylinder. Battery is accessed from the seat up top, but it's hung on the bottom side here. All body color. Drop down cross member. Bottom of the running boards you'll see are finished off, but you'll see the overall fit and finish is just beautiful on this. Very professional build. As we come back, we'll spend more time coming back the other direction. You'll see the brake light switch there, the brake bias valve there, set front to rear braking. Polished stainless 4-bar suspension in the rear. Polished stainless panhard bar up top there. Has a 9-inch rear differential. Adjustable coilovers. Drum brakes in the rear with emergency brake. Low car cables. Here, bottom side of the fenders, rear bumper irons are all chrome plated, as are the bumpers. You'll see it has a nice, for a smaller trailer, like if you were going to pull a little vintage trailer at the back, just a small receiver type, you could. I don't think it's ever pulled one. Again, the 9-inch rear differential housing, all finished body color. PPG Viper-Red. Quick pass through here. Thanks for coming to Spud's Garage. See the polished Wilwood disc brake calipers up front, the rack and pinion steering, mechanical fuel pump. These 185/70 R14 on the front tire size. PPG Viper-Red, base clear. Bottom side of the fenders. Running boards here. Bed sides out back here. We have 255/70 R15s. Notice it has the deluxe wheel trim on it, so the center cap, trim ring, and of course chrome spokes. Back side of the fenders, same way, rhino coated, hard surface. Chrome blue dot tail lights on it. It's factory style tailgate. You can actually pull these nuts and bolts off and hang chains if you wanted to, but I don't know that you're going to be hauling anything in it. Very special little pickup.